Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is a Spotify Jam and how you can just use it. So let's get started. So here we'll just go to the search bar and search for the Spotify Jam. Okay, like this, and just click on here. So basically, as you can see, you can just connect in one time multiple here. You can just open here Spotify, and if you play this song, like for example here, just click on this, and from here you can just connect multiple devices at one time, and you can just use your Spotify Jam to listen like a one song in multiple device. So by this way you can just use this feature, and it's a very useful feature for the users that want to listen same time same song in other devices also as well. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.